Good day everyone, this is Muhammad Ali Sultan and welcome back to Sir Zen's channel. Okay, let us solve some mathematics problem about percentage, rate, and base. Number 13. In a class, 40% of the students are boys. If there are 24 boys, how many students are there in the class? Letter A, 48. Letter B, 50. Letter C, 60. Letter D, 64. Ang una natin gagawin is i-identify muna natin yung mga given sa ating STEM. We have 40% ng mga students ay lalaki. Tapos, meron ditong 24 boys. Ang hinahanap natin is ilan nga ba yung mga students doon sa klase. Okay? So, ang gagamitin natin formula is yung alam natin, yung matagal na natin ginagamit simula pa nung nasa elementary pa tayo. Ito yung tinatawag na PBR or PRB. Kung saan yung P, yan yung percentage. Yung B, yan yung base. Yung R, yan yung rate. Okay, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung P or yung percentage, yan yung maliit na number. Tapos yung D, yan yung malaking number, kumbaga yung kabuuan. Tapos yung rate is yan yung may percentage or yan yung may percent symbol. Okay? Yan yung number na may percent symbol. So isulat natin yung mga given. We have percentage na 24, rate na 40%, tapos base na hindi pa natin alam. Okay? So para makuha yung base, di ba dito sa ating formula, B is nasa baba siya, no? So meron tayong given na percentage at saka ng rate. So i-divide lang natin yung percentage sa ating rate para makuha natin yung ating base. So ganito ang mangyayari sa ating formula. Base is equal to percentage over rate. Okay? So simply substitute the given value. So we have 24 divided by 40%. So dito dalawa yung pwede nating pagpilian. Pwede nating gamitin or gawing decimal ang ating percentage or pwede nating gawing fraction form. So ngayon, ang gagamitin natin is naka-decimal form para mas mapadali nating mag-multiply at mag-divide. Okay? So, 40% magiging 0.40. So, ngayon, mayroon tayong 24 divided by 0.40. So, sa iba, mahirapan siya mag-divide kapag ganito yung ating form. So, gawin lang natin yan siyang whole number. Mag-multiply lang tayo ng 100 para mawala yung decimal form. Okay? So, kapag mag-multiply tayo both denominator at saka numerator ng 100, magiging 2,400 over 40. So, as you can see, nawala na yung decimal form kasi nandito na siya sa after ng 0. Okay? So, 2,400 divided by 40, if we divide that, we get 60. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, there are 60 students kung saan ang 24 boys ay 40%. Okay? So, ang ating sagot, letter C, that is 60. Follow for more.